Hey guys, this is Mr. Tanner here with your lesson plan for today with the sub, so you know exactly what you need to do by the end of class. If you are able to get your work done and you still have a few minutes left over, you can do some of the free time activities that we've talked about, like This is Sand, or Weave Silk, or reading a book, or coloring, or helping other students. But just a reminder that at no point should you be on your phones, and you should not be playing any computer games at any point in time either. We're gonna have 3 different things that you're gonna be doing throughout the course of the day. So if you're kind of looking at budgeting time, that means about 25 minutes for each task that you can devote to. So if we're splitting it 3 ways, you have about 25 minutes for each thing, which I think should be plenty of time to get everything done. And I'll show you 2 different ways you can access everything that we will be doing today. So the first is in Google Classroom. We're gonna go to classwork. You need to finish your vocabulary map. You were supposed to have done the vocabulary for homework, so hopefully that's already done. But the first thing that I'm devoting time to is finishing your continents and oceans map. So again, that is in Google Classroom under vocabulary and map. You can click the image of the completed map to help you, and then the maps are located at the front of the room on the rolling cart. Make sure you're labeling everything very clearly, coloring it neatly, and then taping it into your composition notebook so that the map fits onto a single page. If you can see, I've folded mine. You can see the crease running down through here. So it's folded in a way that you can then fold it down and fit it on one page, but then you can fold it open to view the entire map. So that's the first thing. You'll have about 25 minutes to complete your map. After 25 minutes, even if the map is not done, you're going to need to start this next assignment from continents to cities. So the Google Doc is linked in here. I've typed out some instructions for you, but if you're looking at this and you just don't understand what you're supposed to be doing with this assignment, go back and there's a YouTube video that walks you through how to complete it. So you can watch this video to help you complete the work. The goal is not just to watch the video. You need to fill out all of the work on this Google Doc, and when it asks you to, make sure you are using complete sentences. You'll again have about 20-25 minutes to finish that up, and then the last thing that you're going to be doing is a set of notes. And since I won't be in the room to deliver the notes, under the latitude and longitude notes, I've just put a YouTube video at 16 minutes long of me going through all of the notes. You'll need to grab the note packet from the front of the room, tape it into your notebook, and then watch the video to fill out all of that note information. I will clarify any questions that you might have when we get back in the classroom tomorrow, but hopefully your notes are filled out at that point and we're just clarifying a few questions that maybe you've had. And I will also ask you some questions to make sure that you understood the information that was covered on latitude and longitude. So that's the first way. Everything is in Google Classroom minus the actual papers that you'll have to grab from the front of the room. And then like always, you can also access everything through my website, mrtannertimnith.com. You would go to Unit 1, Intro to Social Studies. You can scroll down and you can see the map here. So that's again, the first thing we're working on is the map. The second thing is from continents to cities. It's a Google Classroom assignment. Make sure you click the right link for your class period to go to the assignment. And then after you finish that assignment, you would move to part 2 of Unit 1. And you can see that here is the latitude and longitude notes. So this is what it should look like taped into your notebook. And then there is the video filling everything out, or going over all of the information. So once again, if you finish all 3 of those things, you have earned a little bit of free time, like This is Sand, or chess, or Weave Silk, or you can help other students, or draw on a piece of paper, or always read a book. But make sure the room volume is at a level where students can be successful if they are still working on any of those tasks. Please be kind to everyone around you in the sub and my classroom, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for everything. Have a good one.